taught it the origin of a rooster?
Yes.
Why is it called a rooster?
Because if he makes it right, it'll make you crow.
What?
If he makes them right, they'll make you crow.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
Make you crow. Very good for
And one thing, everybody will be breathing well
Oh my
tonight.
goodness, that one.
Hey Wyatt, can I get another half peck here? Medium?
Who's going to eat all that? Are you eating one? Are you eating that?
Like 3 days. Okay, you want me to make yours a little light? Cut tail feathers off of it?
I'll turn my eyes on water.
That's all
That's still a lot.
No, cut its tail feathers. Come on now.
I'm doing it, you do it.
Nope.
I thought you said you were doing it.
I already made myself one.
Y'all aren't even eating the oysters you have, either one of you girls.
There you go.
I'm not gonna be able to finish another.
I like the first 3 seconds you get it in your mouth, and then after
Then you make that mistake and you breathe.
See, nobody
you watch
told me that
the
trick.
first idiot breathe through their nose, and then you start laughing at them because they'll go. Chris started almost crying.
Nobody told me that trick, so I was breathing through my nose the whole time. I was like,
All right, I'm going to go for it because I don't think you guys are eating.
Mom, will you move the Texas beef?
Is he through with it?
Yeah.
She's trying to take a video here. Oh my.
All right, I heard.
I claimed one bathroom to myself. Need that down? I got that.
Jonathan was blowing it up on the way here.
You better get some more water.
I had to roll down. Oh, I know. I had to roll down.
All right, so we got one that goes all the way down to the end down
That was
there.
mine.
This is yours.
Jody, let me see it.
She getting one too, right?
Yum.
Oh my
Yours.
God.
This is yours.
Nope.
Yep. They done told me that you got to do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe he could video. I can't video from this angle.
No.
Let's see who makes the worst face.
She's holding her breath, you can tell it.
I know.
She's doing good.
She's smart.
I'm telling you. Not a tear coming out of her eye. Now, Jonathan. Woo!
The thing of it is, she's turning blue, but she's not breathing.
Your face is red. Oh, God, you did great. No, Jonathan's. I don't know how much more he has.
I was a little bit stronger than yours.
Our